Okay, so we have frozen eggs, and we have been very excited about opening frozen eggs for a long time. Which one do you have there?
Anna.
Anna. We're starting with Anna, and when we got them, we were too excited to wait, and we opened one, and we got Anna on our first opening. There. Okay, let's break it open. Break it open. Do we squeeze it or do we chop it?
Chop it.
Like on a bowl? Like an egg? Like that? Okay, go ahead. Ooh, maybe we should put all the eggs in.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
What do you smell?
It smells like chocolate. Oh, but we'll just break it. Ready?
Ready.
Ready. Oh, who's it gonna be? Look, it popped open along the seam perfectly. Okay. All right. So now we have this part, and we're going to get. We're going to get. Okay. A flyer! Nice.
Olaf.
Olaf. We got
Olaf! Olaf! I miss you! I love you, Olaf.
Yeah. Oh, I miss you too, Anna. I miss you too. I've been waiting inside that egg for a long time to see you.
Oh, I see chocolate.
You see chocolate. Oh, that reminds me of summer.
Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, so we have Anna and Olaf, but Olaf doesn't stand up by himself. And we had started with 8 eggs, and now we're on our 7th egg opening. And we're opening an Olaf egg. This one's Olaf. What do you see?
That.
The capsule? Here, bring it in here. And you push this button right here with your thumb. Push your thumb right there. Yeah, right there with your thumb. Think, push. And then it pop. Push, pop. Okay. Now what is it? What's inside? I take the fly out first. Oh, you got it. You got it. What is it? What is it?
A troll.
A troll. We got a troll.
Oh,
I like the
two
troll. Are there
flyers.
different trolls or are they all the same troll? Oh, that's a cute troll. I like the trolls. I hope they're different kinds of trolls. That would be really
You
fun.
like that one?
I like this troll. Yes, I do. I like it very much.
No, you like a big snowman.
Oh, I do like the big snowman. Let's look at the big snowman on the flyer. So we have Anna, a troll, and Olaf. So Anna's in good company. I love the scene in the end where he puts on Queen Elsa, or she puts on Queen Elsa's crown and is happy. We have Olaf. What's this? 3 different kinds of trolls. Are there? There's big snowman. 2 Queen Elsas. 2 Annas. Hans. Okay, ready to go to the next one? Alright. Next one. Alright. Ooh, it's an Elsa egg. This one's an Elsa egg. What will we have? Woo-hoo-hoo. Maybe an Elsa egg will have Elsa. Do you think?
Yeah.
Squish. Squish.
What is it?
Squish. What is it? Ooh, what do you think it is? Pop. Which one do you think it is? Another troll. Is it the same troll? Are they all the same?
Yeah.
They look the same
troll
one.
family. open Anna. I open Olaf.
And 2 trolls. They do look very much the same, don't they? The 2 trolls look
Oh, Papa. Oh, Papa.
the same. Yeah, right here.
Oh, Papa.
Oh, Papa Troll.
I miss
I
you.
miss you too. How are you, little troll?
Good.
I'm going to turn into a boulder now.
Wow.
Ready to open Anna. Egg. Oh. Is it fun to break the chocolate?
Yeah. I like it fun to bake chocolate. It's so hard.
It's hard to break the chocolate?
Yeah.
It really looks soft. Push this part with your thumb. Right there. Push that part with your thumb.
It's so hard.
It's so hard here. Okay. Okay, which one is it? Which one's in there? Oh, nice.
Queen Elsa.
Queen Elsa.
Queen Elsa, why you do that egg? Why you with that egg?
Queen Elsa, what are you doing in an egg?
You hatching the egg.
You hatched in an egg? Why? I thought you were in an ice castle. Olaf doesn't stand. Oh, look, look. Now Elsa and Anna can be together. Oh, that one came apart perfect. Smooth. Smooth.
Got 2 trolls. I got 1 Olaf. I got 2 cactus.
What's that?
Queen Elsa and Anna.
Right, that's right. Okay, this one. Next day. Ta-da! Who is it? Another Anna. 2 Annas. What are we doing with 2 Annas? I don't know. This Anna could hang out over here.
No, he does.
Okay.
Ready.
Okay, which egg is that?
Queen Elsa egg.
Queen Elsa egg.
He got a heart picture.
A heart picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a heart picture, huh? I like it.
It's broken. It's melted.
That one's a melted one?
Yeah.
Oh, is it dented?
Let's try a melted one. We try a melted one.
Okay.
Frozen egg.
Ready? Open this one.
Yeah.
See right here?
Where?
Ta-da! It's a troll.
It's families.
It's more family. Now we have a family of troll. You're right. Okay. A big family of trolls. Now we have only 2 left, and we have.
Olaf.
We're opening it. Olaf. Olaf egg.
We got
else we have?
Yummy. Which one is it? Oh, sit down. Sit down.
Quinosa.
Two quinosaurs. Oh, my sister. Two quinosaurs.
Mm-hmm. Wait, this is our last egg. Our very last egg. Which one will we get? Which one is it?
Maybe a big snowman.
Maybe big snowman.
Big snowman, super scary.
I think he's super cute. Alright.
It's so soft. Ah,
Another troll. Oh, so we got 4 trolls. 2. Well, we got the most important characters.
now do you got a big snowman?
No big snowman. I know, but we got the troll family. They're so
Trolls.
That's
That's a troll, that's a troll, that's a troll, that's Quinosa, that's Anna, that's Quinosa, that's Anna. Right?
Yeah.